YouTube, it's Erin, and I am the Handbag Housewife, and I am back again with another video. Today's video is going to be a little bit of this and a little bit of that. I want to talk to you about Longchamp. I have an issue with one of my Longchamp bags. It's the first bag I've had get corner wear in like 7 years. Now, granted, I don't use any of my bags much. When you have 70 some or more bags, at one time I had over 125 bags. I stopped counting after that. But when you have that many bags, you don't really wear them out. And that's why when I sell bags, they are generally in new or excellent condition. But I have a bag now that has some wear, and that is a first for me since I started collecting about 7 years ago. Before that, I had maybe 5 Coach bags, and I would use one of them for months before I'd want to switch. Or perhaps I might wear it for quite some time and then have one outfit that I needed to coordinate my bag with. But I always selected bags that would go with anything in my closet pretty much. So very neutral, like gray with gold hardware or taupe with silver hardware. And then I could wear them with anything I wanted to, and I felt like they looked pretty good. Well, times have changed, and now I am doing so much coordinating with what I wear. Like I will pick out a shirt, and then I'll pick out a ring, and I'll pick out a bag to match, and all of that goes into my thought processes when I get dressed. So as you can imagine, getting dressed takes longer than it used to. Today, I am just super casual, like normal, but I did put on a Kansas basketball shirt. Basketball is about to begin, and of course my Coach denim hat. This is my favorite hat. At one time I went gaga for Coach hats, and I was unboxing them right and left, much like I'm doing with luggage tags these days, although I think I'm pretty much done with that psychosis. Anyhow, I just figured I would don this hat and just add to the casual look, and I want to grab my Longchamp and show you what I'm talking about. I carried this bag yesterday to a soccer game, and as I was driving, or as I was riding with my husband over to the game, I was looking at the corners, and every single corner has color loss. Now, the leather itself isn't worn out or anything like that, and I really don't see any other damage to the leather, no scratches or anything. This is the Matisse leather, which is a blend of lamb and goat. I believe that's what Longchamp's website used to say. I don't know if it still says that. They don't have this leather in the extra small size anymore. They have shifted to a calf leather, or a solid hide of calf leather. And again, this is a blend. So if you look here, I don't know if it will focus or not. If it won't, then I may insert some pictures of what I'm talking about. But where the corners are folded, it is losing the red color. Now, what is there to do about this? I mean, really, there is nothing to do about this. Really, when it comes down to it, all I know for sure is that Dior does color correction and Hermes does. And as far as the rest of the brands go, I have no idea, except for I know Longchamp and Louis Vuitton do not. But one thing Longchamp does do is corner repair. So with Longchamp, they can refold the corners and repair your Les Pliage bags. And the first time is free, which is incredibly generous of the company. So if you get a hole in the corner, it can be fixed. And they can also fix the leather Les Pliage bags, but they can't fix the color. They can just fix damage to the corners. That is a huge advantage for these bags and the extra small size all the way up to the great big ones, that you can get the corners fixed, because the way they're folded, they're pointy, and corner damage is something that can happen, as is evident by the fact that I've rubbed the color off of this corner. That is just the first step to getting to the point where I've worn it out. But we are a long way away from that, because this bag doesn't have any damage to the leather. One thing I might possibly consider doing is putting a little bit of that matte acrylic finisher on these corners. I get that from Amazon, and it's sort of like a sealant. And I feel like since the color is gone, that the top coating or the glaze on top of the color is definitely gone. So I think I may just dab a little bit of it on with a Q-tip on these corners to hopefully prevent any more color loss, at least for a while. But that is all I have to say about this little cutie. I will tell you that I did sell my red Cassie 19 because after doing the camera bag video, I figured out I had 11 camera bags, and crazy me decided I needed 12, and I found a red camera bag. But that's all I'm gonna say. You're gonna have to wait and see what brand, what it is, but I will tell you that selling a few bags, and I had one little return of something that I had bought, that those things basically funded a pretty good chunk of the bag I bought. So I don't feel too guilty about it, and I can't wait to show you because it's something I think I will use a lot. Another thing on the red craze, and as you can see, I'm wearing red today, is I got some Hey Dudes in red. Now these are coming just a little bit late to the party, but they are just the perfect red. Check it out. They match my sweatshirt so well. And these are so comfortable. They feel like you're walking on a cloud. And honestly, I absolutely love wearing them even around the house. I don't really want to take my shoes off because I'm just bouncing around. One amazing thing about these Hey Dude shoes is that you can wash them in the washing machine. So I wear them without socks most of the time, and then I just throw them in the wash and they come out beautifully. I do spray the lighter colors especially, and I'll spray this too with Colonel Carbon Pro so that I can get stains out easier. But mine hold up super well with tons and tons of wear. And with a price point of around $50 or $60 to begin with, they are very affordable. I got these on sale on Amazon. And again, I can link these down below if you're interested. There's lots of colors. And some of the colors are on sale and some of them aren't. But I got these on sale for around $40. They were $60 or $65 and I didn't want to pay that. So I just waited, and by golly, they went on sale, just like everything does if you wait long enough, except for Hermes and Chanel bags. Those don't go on sale. But speaking of Hermes, one of my lovely subscribers, Karen, sent me a gift, and I wanted to show you because it is gorgeous, and it's also an Amazon find. And so I wanted to show you this super cool Hermes pop-up book. I had no idea that you could buy Hermes things from Amazon, but this is just a true work of art. And each page has a gorgeous design. And I haven't even looked through it all the way yet. I started looking through it and I thought, I'm gonna pull this out and show this to my viewers here. And I'm gonna link it down below if I can find it, because it is so cool. I just had to share. I can't believe that she did this for me. It was the sweetest thing. So this one has a pull tab to change the design. So let me hold that one up. And each one of them talks on one side of the page and then has a design on the other side. And I haven't taken the time to read through it all yet because so far I am just enthralled with the pictures. Pop-up books are awesome. Look at the little hearts. That's so cute. I love all the patterns that you can find at Hermes on their fabrics. Their scarves are particularly gorgeous. And this is just an awesome way to appreciate their designs, and to have so many of them in one collection in such a small package is really cool. I mean, the colors are fantastic. Oh wow, okay, I have to do this. Watch it spin as I open. So neat. So this is all the letters in Hermes, kind of jumbled up. But again, isn't it neat how it opens? Very cool. So thank you so much, Karen. I absolutely love this. It is so neat. I mean, just, I love it. I can't even tell you. So if anybody out there is looking for an amazing gift, this is an amazing gift. And I would have never thought to get it for myself. Those are the best kinds of gifts to get. Things that you get super excited about that you didn't even know you needed. And now I know. So I think that'll do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. It was kind of a mishmash of various things. If you did enjoy it, please give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Do it and ring the notification bell so that you are notified of future exciting content such as this. Also, go find me on Instagram. The name there's the same. It's the @symbol, then the Handbag Housewife, all lowercase. You can DM me there or you can email me at thehandbaghousewife@gmail.com. If I don't hear from you, I will see you again real soon. Take care and have a fabulous day. Bye.